Harbor Freight 5-drawer tool cart. Nice cart, but I never cared for the drawers because you have to pull the tab on the side of the drawer in order to release it. So I disabled the tab by putting a 5/16 nut on it, but then the problem was I've got the nut up in here. Just wedge it between the little latch and the drawer, and it'll hold the latch open so you don't have to, it'll open and close. The only problem was that the drawer just will come out. There's nothing to hold it. It doesn't stay shut. So in order to fix that problem, you need one of these. A magnet, one of these super strong magnets. I got them on eBay. I think you can get them on Amazon. So yeah, take your drawer. First of all, put your nut up in here to wedge open that latch, and then take your drawer, pull these little plastic tabs on either side so you can get it out far enough so you can reach behind it. There's the magnet. Then take the magnet. It sticks pretty tough. And place it down there towards the bottom of the drawer near that catch. Can you see it there? Yeah, right there. Put it a little bit to the left of the catch, because there's a rail that runs down the back of the toolbox, and that magnet is going to line up with that rail. Depending on if it's centered on the rail in the back or a little bit to the right or left is how strong the magnet is going to affect the drawer. So once that magnet's in there, put your drawer back in, engage the slides, and yeah. Pretty good. I like it.